Here are the two schools for tonight's show. Central High from Clarendon up against Old Harbour High from St. Catherine. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. Central High is represented by Andrew Vidal, Ricardo Shields, Javon Simmons, and DeJounte Dawkins, while Old Harbour High is represented by Stallone Francis, Siobhan Gordon, Maurice Miller, and Dujane Jordan. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the first match in the quarterfinals of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. Your judges are Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Mrs. Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Central High won and decided to let Old Harbour High go first. So we begin with Old Harbour High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so please, may I have that time on the clock. Old Harbour, your first question is from physics. A force of 18 newtons is used to push a box over a distance of 6.5 meters. How much work was done?
2.4 joules.
At 117 joules is what I have. Physics for Central. How much power is used if a force of 35 newtons is used to push a box over a distance of 10 meters in 5 seconds?
350 divided by 5, 70 watts? Yeah. 70 watts.
70 watts.
That's correct. International Affairs, a visual for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Incorrect. Ibrahim Mohammed Solih, President of the Maldives. International Affairs for Central. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Faustin Touadéra.
Incorrect. Felipe Nyusi, President of Mozambique. Spanish for Old Harbour. What does the sign no estacionar mean?
No parking.
That's right. Spanish for Central. What does the sign giro a la izquierda mean?
Turn left.
Good. Music and audio for Old Harbour. Listen to the following clip and identify the singer.
Elton John.
Incorrect. John Lennon. Music for Central. Listen to the following clip and identify the group.
Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me.
Greendale.
Incorrect. Oasis. Wonderwall. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. When ash is cold, dogs sleep in there. Judges will accept. Jamaican heritage for Central. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Self-praise, Anna.
Recommendation.
Good. Theatre and cinema, a visual for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Jim Carrey.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Central. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Sylvester Stallone.
That's correct. Mathematics for Old Harbour. Expand and simplify the expression -2, open bracket, x minus 8, close bracket, plus 3, open bracket, x minus 7, closed bracket.
So that is x minus 5.
Good. Mathematics for Central. Expand and simplify this expression. 4, open bracket, minus x plus 2, close bracket, minus 3, open bracket, 2x minus 2, close bracket.
So this is.
Minus 10x plus 14.
That's correct. Sport a visual for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Damian Block.
Incorrect. Heath Chong, professional footballer. Sport for Central. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Pereira? Pereira. Randy Pereira? No, I hear that. Lucas Pereira.
Lucas Pereira.
Incorrect. Andreas Pereira, also a professional footballer. Bible knowledge for Old Harbour. From which book of the Bible is the verse, "Do not grieve, for the joy of the Lord is your strength"?
Proverbs.
Incorrect. Nehemiah. Bible knowledge for Central. From which book of the Bible is the verse, "Who is like unto thee, O Lord, glorious in holiness, fearful in praises, doing wonders"?
Psalms.
Exodus. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Old Harbour High on 4 points, Central High just ahead on 5 points. It's time for the Digicel Viewer's Question. Our viewer's question comes from the category Bible Knowledge. The question is, John wrote to the 7 churches of Asia. To which one was his first letter addressed? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 876-422-QUIZ. That's 876-422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.